미국의 어느 불법 격투기장. 이곳의 지배자는 무패의 파이터 카터 포드였습니다. 그런데 이때 웬 거짓골을 남자가 감히 카터에게 도전장을 내밉니다. 거지에게 야유가 쏟아지는 가운데 믿을 수 없는 일이 벌어지는데 무패의 사나이 카터가 기권을 해버린 겁니다. 이렇게 거지는 꽁으로 거액의 상금을 손에 넣게 되죠. 그러나 이로 인해 거지는 끔찍한 일을 당하게 되는데요. 그런데 이 거지는 무려 칼빵을 맞고도 멀쩡합니다.
Excuse me? It's a nice little scam you got going on in there. All you need is for the opponent to know who you are, know your history, and then they'll be too afraid to fight.
Well, it's working.
사실 이 거지의 이름은 돌턴. UFC에서 가장 악명 높은 선수이자 미들급 챔피언이었죠. 당시 돌턴은 눈에 뵈는 게 없는 상태였고 매일같이 관종짓을 일삼던 돌턴은 경기 중에 상대 선수를 죽이는 사고를 치고 말았죠. 그날 이후 돌턴은 심각한 트라우마에 시달리게 되었고 선수 생활도 때려치운 채 이렇게 방황하며 살고 있던 겁니다. 이런 돌턴에게 운명처럼 한 여자가 다가오는데
Excuse me? You know, it actually took me a second to recognize you. Oh God. Oh shit. You know you got a big ass knife sticking out of you?
Hold it.
Wow, it seems like you do this a lot. So listen, I own a roadhouse out in the Florida Keys.
Roadhouse, huh?
But lately it's been attracting the wrong clientele. Come in every night, they trash the place. The cops are no fucking help. All my fucking bouncers have ran off. Anyway, I finally decided I needed some outside help. A friend of mine suggested I come talk to some guy named Carter Ford.
Yeah, well, Carter seems good with his hands.
No, you be better. I can pay you good money. $5K a week, just for a month, and I can put you up.
여자는 돌턴에게 일자리를 제안하고
I'm all booked up. Sorry.
Excuse me? I mean, it's 20 grand.
Try Carter.
Think about it.
로드하우스의 주인 프랭키로부터 연락처를 받게 됩니다.
You have a good night, man.
잠시 후 돌턴은 차를 건널목에 대고 생을 마감하려 합니다. 하지만 삶을 끝낼 용기가 없음을 확인한 돌턴. 돌턴은 마음을 바꿔 이곳을 벗어나려 하는데 부사일생으로 목숨을 건진 그의 눈앞에 프랭키의 명함이 보입니다. 그는 마음을 바꿔 프랭키의 로드하우스가 있는 글라스키로 향하게 됩니다.
Did you see Fred on your way in?
What's that?
Historic 7-mile bridge. He grows right in the middle of the road.
버스에서 내리자마자 친절한 소녀를 만나고
Well, that's Fred the tree. And got a book on him. If you're interested. It's full of local color and all. It's great for tourists. I'm Charlie, by the way. What brings you to Glass Key?
I'm here to work at a bar.
Charlie, leave this poor man alone. Yeah, I'm sorry she gets excited about selling books and trees and Fred. No, hi, I'm Steven. Don. Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's here to work at the Roadhouse.
She told me it was a roadhouse, but she never told me the name.
It's the Roadhouse. It's just up the highway past mile marker 77. Welcome to Glass Key.
Hey, Steven.
왠지 모를 좋은 기분을 느끼며 로드하우스로 향하는 돌턴.
Get a black coffee.
We don't have that. Sorry.
What are you drinking?
It's Cuban coffee. Very different.
I'll get one of those.
하지만 프랭키의 말과는 다르게 이곳은 꽤나 평화로운 분위기였습니다.
Hey, I know who you are. Elwood Dalton. Big fan, man.
Nice place you got here. Peaceful.
이에 돌턴은 로드하우스가 마음에 들기 시작합니다.
You don't have to be blind to know right from wrong.
하지만 밤이 되자 이곳에 폭주족으로 보이는 깽단 양아치들이 등장합니다.
Wow, it's like a Morgan here. Clean up. Aisle 4.
양아치들은 순식간에 분위기를 곱창내버립니다.
Oh, hey, whoa. Hey, give me a drink first. Give me a drink.
그러자 돌턴이 나서는데
You want another black eye?
No, I don't want another one.
I do. Enough Billy, right? Yeah, there's some thirsty customers waiting for you. I can handle these gents.
Oh, who the fuck are you, Mr. Smiley?
Can I talk to you guys outside for a second?
I got some work to do.
Those are your bikes out there, right?
Yeah, mine's the red one on the right.
멍청한 양아치들은 돌턴을 몰라보고
Wait, what the fuck? Wait.
이에 돌턴은 이 개념 없는 놈들에게 참교육을 갈겨주기로 합니다.
Stop right there.
I just wanted to get you outside so I could ask you and your friends respectfully to leave the premises.
Oh, we'll leave. After I fucking kill you.
Sure. Before we start, do you have insurance?
What?
Like, you have medical insurance? Is your coverage good? Like, you have dental?
돌턴은 의미심장한 질문을 이어가더니
Yeah, I'm not the one that's gonna fucking need it.
Okay, sure. Hey, Frankie,
Yeah,
is there a hospital nearby?
literally, who gives a shit?
About like 25 minutes, I'd say. Like depending on the traffic, what time of day.
Mo, shut the fuck up.
Oh, I just slapped you. Are you alright?
What?
차례차례 양아치들의 뚝배기를 깨기 시작합니다. 이렇게 단 10초 만에 양아치들은 전멸당하고
Oh, come on. It's not that bad.
Oh, I think you broke my arm.
Hey, Frankie,
Yeah,
you got a car I could borrow?
I do, yeah, but not for them.
Oh, come on. These guys need medical attention.
이어서 돌턴은 양아치들을 병원에 데리고 오는데요.
Thanks for the ride, man.
Is that one in front of yours?
No, I just broke his arm.
Hey,
이때 응급실에 의사 엘리가 말을 걸어옵니다.
before you go, I really wanted to say thank you for all the new patients.
You're welcome.
I just love when my ER is packed full of irresponsible idiots. That way, the normal people with real emergencies have nowhere to go. But that's not something you'd care about, being a rage-filled dickhead who likes to hurt people for fun.
Dickhead. I mean, technically, I hurt people for money.
And how's that better?
I mean, I guess it's not. I'm just clarifying.
You know I'm supposed to call the cops on guys like you, right?
Well, you definitely should. Only I don't think they really care about rage-filled dickheads around these parts.
You're bleeding. Let me see it.
All right.
It's not infected, but I'll need to suture this.
Oh, no. Thank you.
Why not?
It's my fault. I want to pay for it.
Can I?
오해를 풀고 엘리에게서 치료까지 받게 됩니다.
It's an antibiotic. Do the full cycle.
Hey, Doc, thank you. Sorry for all the trouble.
Tell it to my staff. They're the ones with all the extra work tonight.
Is that him?
You have a good night, man. Again, I'm sorry for the trouble. Thanks.
That's the guy.
Hey, Slugger. Here it is, 1 week's salary in cash as requested.
Thank you. Well, you know, I saw that there was a houseboat for sale at the marina, so I thought maybe I'd go check that out.
It barely floats.
You know it.
Yeah, I know it. It's mine. It came with the bar. Listen, you are more than welcome to stay there, but I highly advise you sleep with a snorkel.
Okay.
Also, watch out for the crocodile.
The what?
I shit you not, it killed Chauncey last year.
Who?
The Dockmaster's Pomeranian.
그가 거주할 수 있도록 자신의 소유인 낡은 배를 제공해준 프랭키.
There's no door
doorbell.
I should put something on.
I got brothers.
Love what you done with the place.
Let's see, we got tostadas, breakfast burrito, and empanadas.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, we've been through a lot of you guys. Lasted, less than 2 days. I'm hoping you're different.
Thank you for the food.
Good morning, Dalton.
돌턴은 지역 사람들에게서 신망을 얻게 됩니다.
Hey, Dalton.
How you doing? Hey, Charlie.
What can I do for you, partner?
Kind of wondering if maybe you had a computer around these parts I could use.
Over there. Get out of here, all of you.
I hate those a-holes.
Where's your dad?
Just had his other job. It's kind of hard to make a living on selling books.
And where's she?
Oh, she died last year.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It happens.
Hey, there he is.
Hey, Dalton.
Smell you later, Carl.
Was there like a town meeting or something? How does everybody know my name?
That's just how it is around here, man. I mean, it's a gossipy sort of island.
이렇게 마을 사람들이 돌턴으로 인해 안심한 사이, 양아치들의 보스 브렌트, 부하들이 뜨내기 하나에 당했다는 사실을 알게 되는데
Can someone just tell me or remind me whose idea was it to hire these dumb fucks in the first place? Yours, boss. Here's the fucking thing! You're all supposed to have this job done by now. What did I say? I said keep it loose, okay?
브렌트는 타고난 사이코패스에 분노 조절 장애까지 있는 남자였습니다.
You, tell me about this bouncer.
I mean, you know, he acts all nice and shit, like he's Mr. Rogers or something, but then, man, he hauls off. He hauls off.
That was a brilliant analysis. Sam, throw these dum-dums overboard.
Well, maybe if you just
told us why you want to tear down the roadhouse.
Let me bring you in on all my business dealings. Get the fuck out of here, go to the house, enjoy your fucking selves.
Or maybe it's time we get your old man involved.
누구라도 브렌트의 성질을 건드리면 무사할 수 없었죠.
Hey everybody, I know we're at a bar right now. Yo, what the fuck kind of music is this? Yo, play some fucking songs or something.
get the fuck down, you drunk
Hey, what you gonna do about it? Mind your fucking business.
This guy's got a knife under his shirt, worn red.
I'm fucking scared of you, motherfucker.
Get the fuck
Sit your ass down.
Do you want to handle it? Man. When he takes it out, you just take a big step back and pop him in the face.
What now, bitch? What's up?
Motherfucker!
Billy, chair. Billy.
Ow!
Man, my arm. Yeah. You know, I think I'm getting pretty good at this.
You're a natural. Don't forget to lift with your knees.
Hey, back up. Back the fuck up.
I think he can do that. You know, he's a pretty crap bartender.
Sun come back again. Keep on smiling through the changes.
You're here.
Nice haircut, Ellie. Really suits you.
Oh, fuck you, Frank. I should have let that burst appendix kill you. My hairdresser. I cut my own hair now.
People seem a little aggressive around here.
Look, I should warn you. I grew up in Glass Key, and people have a certain way of getting things done around here. Even the cops aren't always as helpful as they should be. If you cause trouble to the wrong people, you could get hurt, or worse. Enjoy your conch chowder.
I like your hair. Did a nice job. Fuck Frank.
그날 밤
Hey, you want a ride?
Oh, no, you have a good night, Laura. I'm gonna walk.
일을 마치고 돌아가던 길 의문의 트럭이 돌턴을 공격해옵니다. 그는 바로 깽단의 양아치 대리였습니다. 돌턴은 손 쓸 틈도 없이 바닷속으로 추락하고 마는데 다행히 돌턴에게는 주인공 버프가 있었습니다. 다행히 죽을 고비를 넘기고 숙소로 돌아온 돌턴.
You're a real pain in my ass.
그런데 이미 이곳에 와 있던들.
I was hoping tonight would look more like an accident. But I'm gonna just shoot you.
Can I ask a question? Why all the fuss?
Oh hell, it ain't you. It's the Roadhouse.
돌턴은 대를 가볍게 제압한 뒤 델이 자신에게 그러했듯 그를 물속에 처박아 버립니다.
So you're gonna kill me now?
Why would I kill you?
Well, that was stupid. I'm just gonna throw right back up.
그런데 이때 갑자기 시기나거가 나타나고 결국 악어밥이 돼버리고 말았습니다. 이 일로 인해 보안관이 출동하고
Won't find the body. Crocs hide their food. That's why no one believed me about Chauncey. My dog. Damn Croc got him too. Hey, what'd that asshole want with you anyways? Must have gotten away with his business. Drugs, probably. Why do you think they call it the keys?
Hey, get in the car. Boss wants to have a word with you.
Who's your boss?
Brent.
I don't think so.
Hey, stop! Stop! You did see that I have a fucking gun, right?
Yeah, you made a pretty big point of showing it to me.
You don't understand how this works, do you?
But you have a gun tucked in your waistband, so it's really not that intimidating, is it?
Fuck this. No! Fuck you!
See what I mean? It's really painful. You don't have a gun, too, do you?
I think I left it in the car.
Tell your boss if he wants to talk to me, I work at the Roadhouse and I'm there every night.
돌턴은 의문점이 들기 시작합니다. 그들이 이렇게까지 로드하우스에 집착하는 이유를 말이죠.
Holy shit. You scared the shit out of me.
이에 돌턴은 프랭키를 떠보기로 하는데
I just don't get why he was so focused on the Roadhouse. I mean, you just said he terrorized this place for months.
하지만 프랭키는 뭔가를 숨기고 있는 듯 보였죠.
Shit, man, I don't know.
잠시 후 웬 벌거벗은 남자가 교도소에서 걸려온 전화를 받는데요.
Yes.
I got a serious fucking problem in Florida.
Hang on.
Oh!
이 남자의 정체는 브렌트 갱단의 전담 해결사였습니다.
I leave right away.
다음 날 브렌트 갱단은 해결사에게 돌턴의 처리를 맡기고 해결사는 즉시 돌턴을 죽이러 달려갑니다.
I'm sorry, who the fuck are you?
From your father.
A message. My father, and what is this message?
Who are you? He asked me to lend a hand. So where's this bouncer asshole?
So if we're gonna kill this guy.
If he's already dead. Once Knox is on the job, it's over, baby. It's just a matter of when.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sure. I'm sure you're amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna try to do this the easy way one more time. Is that okay?
You do.
Thank you. After that, you can set it all on fire.
My man, my
Wonderful.
Let's go.
Yes.
그 사이 돌턴은 엘리와 썸을 타고 있었는데
This is why I warned you. You obviously stepped on someone's toes.
Some guy named Brant.
He comes from one of those old Florida families they built most of Glass Key. So, where are you from?
Missoula.
Is it a nice place?
Look, I think maybe we should head back.
We just got here.
Let's head back.
I was just asking simple questions.
I just didn't think this through. I didn't realize this was a date. You don't want to know me.
You think we don't have the internet out here? I know what happened. And you know, this is a date.
두 사람의 관계는 급속도로 가까워집니다. 즐거운 시간을 보내고 돌아온 두 사람.
I'll be seeing you soon.
그런데 갑자기 보안관들이 찾아옵니다.
Mr. Dalton.
Yeah.
You have a few questions about the other night. Need you to come with us?
이에 아무 의심 없이 보안관들을 따라가는 돌턴. 그런데 어째서인지 보안관들은 보안관 사무소가 아닌 외딴 주차장으로 돌턴을 데려옵니다.
Listen up, Elwood. I'd like you to leave here, my friend.
You don't want to be my friend.
Well, in that case, There are a few ways this can go.
그러자 보안관은 돌턴을 압박하기 시작합니다.
Can arrest you. Likely the very same day you get shanked in the yard.
그로부터 마을을 떠나라는 명령을 받게 되는데 돌턴이 거부하자
Get him out of the car.
설상가상.
Get out of the fucking car!
보안관들은 돌턴을 폭행하기까지 합니다.
You have a death wish, son.
그런데 이때 엘리가 나타나고
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
다행히 엘리의 등장으로 위기를 넘기게 됩니다.
Come on, Dalton.
그는 엘리의 아버지이며 지역 마피아 벤 브렌트의 명령을 듣는 부패한 보안관이었습니다.
My mom died and I moved away from the Keys, changed my name, took her maiden name. I don't know why I ever came back. The man you talked about, Ben Brent? His father is Gerald Brent.
뒤이어 엘리에게서 이곳에 관련된 모든 사실들을 듣게 되는데
He put a lot of money into Glass Key, owned a fleet of charter boats that ran tours, and drugs. He's in prison now. You have to leave Glass Key.
하지만 엘리의 경고에도 불구하고 돌턴은 로드하우스를 떠나지 않았죠.
Ellie called twice. Said I needed to text her if you showed up.
A little mix-up with the sheriff.
What are we talking about?
Yeah, what are we talking about?
그런데 직접 돌턴을 찾아온 브렌트.
Ben Brant, you must be Dalton. See, I can't help but wonder what an outsider like you thinks you're doing here.
I don't know, Ben. What are any of us doing here anyway?
They keep taking this off YouTube. I tracked it down, you know. How it is the fucking internet.
브렌트는 돌턴의 발작 버튼을 눌러버립니다.
You just keep punching and punching and punching. So why don't you just stop?
이렇게 돌턴의 멘탈을 박살내고는
You have a good night.
그대로 자리를 떠나는데 사실 이것은 돌턴을 흔들어 놓기 위한 브렌트의 계략이었습니다.
Make it hurt as much as possible. You can burn the place down.
It's been a while since I've been clubbing.
결국 해결사가 로드하우스에 들이닥치고
This roadhouse is mine. Looks like you're having a thrashing.
해결사는 보란듯이 로드하우스를 박살내기 시작합니다.
I hate this song.
Calm the fuck down. Hey. You know, just take it out.
성인 남자 4명이 달려들어 그를 제지해보죠. 하지만 해결사에게는 상대가 되지 못했습니다. 로드하우스는 순식간에 난장판이 되어버리고 이에 돌턴이 나서는데
What? You know I got sent here special. Just for you.
Well, you brought all your friends with you?
I thought you might miss having an audience.
로드하우스를 지키려는 돌턴과 이곳을 뺏으려는 녹스.
25 quid. Watch me pump your face.
I guess I'm gonna lose then.
이들이 로드하우스에서 맞붙게 됩니다.
Here, I got a tip for you. Don't let no one get this close. There he is. The world's most notorious fighter, Dalton.
하지만 멘탈이 터진 돌턴은 녹스를 제대로 상대하지 못했고 설상가상 브렌트의 부하들까지 싸움에 끼어들며 돌턴은 불리한 싸움을 하게 됩니다. 끝내 로드하우스 밖으로 밀려나게 된 돌턴.
There's something wrong with you. Me too.
Lex, this is serious. Are you a cop or what? We need help.
I sent 2 cars already, Al. It's the best I could do.
이에 돌턴은 이제 그만 로드하우스를 떠나기로 합니다. 떠나려는 그의 앞에 프랭키가 찾아옵니다.
What, are you leaving?
You're a funny one, Frankie.
I know I wasn't totally honest with you. All right, Brant wants to take the roadhouse away from me. You see that? All up and down the highway? Brand owns all of that. You know, he wants to level it and build some bullshit resort for a bunch of rich assholes.
이제서야 그들이 로드하우스를 노리는 진짜 이유를 말하는 프랭키.
Hey, Brand's out of money, and he's borrowing from shady guys.
Frankie, I told you from the jump, you should have hired that other guy.
He scared you off?
More than you could ever understand.
하지만 끝내 돌턴의 마음을 돌릴 수는 없었습니다.
Knox didn't kill the bouncer. Most of our guys are pretty banged up. Also, the wrong cops showed at the roadhouse, so Big Dick can't help us there. What do you want me to do?
I want you to get me another bottle from the galley.
잠시 후 버스 정류장에 도착한 돌턴. 그런데 찰리의 책방이 잿더미가 되어 있었습니다.
Hey, not safe in there. Where's the little girl? The little girl and her father. Ambulance took him to the hospital.
돌턴은 이것이 깽단의 지심을 직감하고 개빡친 돌턴. 즉시 깽단의 아지트로 쳐들어갑니다.
I didn't hear a car.
Yeah, well, I walked from the bookstore. Was that your idea?
She's a cute girl. She's kind of stubborn. But like you.
I was already leaving.
We finally scared you off, huh?
Not exactly.
Just as long as you're scared.
돌턴은 단 한 방에 양아치를 죽여버리는데
I just broke the hyoid bone in your throat. I'm afraid of what happens when somebody pushes me too far. Somebody just like you, because I know what happens next.
사실 돌턴은 정의로운 분조장이었죠.
Oh, fuck, okay. Oh, hey, man.
Where's Brent?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. They don't tell me much. You know, kind of the last one to find out about everything, which is kind of weird position to be in. But I overheard some of Brent's guys talking, and I guess there's a meeting at Harvest Key. Brent's getting some of the money that he needs for something. It's at 5 a.m., which I think is early for a meeting. Am I right? Good luck with the guy.
돌턴은 겁쟁이 양아치로부터 유용한 정보를 얻게 되고 잠시 후 돌턴은 깽단의 거래 현장을 목격하게 됩니다. 놀랍게도 검은 돈을 배달해주는 역할은 보안관이 맡고 있었죠.
Oh, hey, you're awake. You're gonna be short one sheriff's vote.
Wait, you don't have to do this.
Oh. It takes a lot to get me angry, but when I am, I just can't let go. I wish I could, but your boss and Brant really pissed me off.
돌턴은 재빠르게 보안관의 뚝배기를 갈기고 그리고 돌턴은 브렌트에게 텅 빈 경비정만 보냅니다. 그러자 엘리 아빠가 득달같이 달려오는데요.
Listen, it's Ellie. They have her. Brent's got her. Wants his money, the money you took. If my daughter means anything to you, you'll help me get her back.
엘리의 목숨이 달려있는 이상 돌턴에게는 선택의 여지가 없었고
Where should I meet you?
돌턴은 즉시 엘리를 구하러 달려갑니다. 그런데 엘리 아빠가 너무나 평온한 표정으로 브렌트와 함께 있었죠.
Nice boat. Looks expensive.
Yeah. It used to be my old man's. Speaking of which, where's my goddamn money? Honestly, you were told the girl's life depended on it. So where's my fucking money?
역시나 엘리 아빠는 돌턴의 통수를 친 것이었는데
I don't see Ellie anywhere. And this guy looks pretty comfortable for a guy who just had his daughter kidnapped.
There's no kidnapping, dumbass. We are partners, idiot.
Yeah, about that I did kind of take her.
What?
Ooh, another double cross.
What the fuck, man?
I wouldn't do that.
하지만 브렌트가 엘리 아빠의 통수를 치고
Once I get my money, you can have her.
Son of a bitch!
Boys, do you want me to give you a second?
Hey, stop!
I'm trying to build something. You keep on pushing me. You're just pushing me. It's like, I'm just like, fuck! I'm gonna have Sam here hurt you.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes.
Please
Don't look
no.
at me like that. Now, if that doesn't work, I'll have to get Ellie. Shit will get real crazy real fast.
Hey, wait, goddammit.
Stop.
Wait.
Sit down.
이 와중에 싸움에 미친 해결사까지 나타납니다.
I do know one guy who's gonna be pretty pissed about this whole betrayal thing.
And who is that?
Ah, just some asshole cop.
What the hell is he doing?
그러자 돌턴이 진짜 광기가 뭔지 보여주는데요. 다행히 늦기 전에 돌턴이 엘리를 찾아내지만
Hey, DJ!
구멍 뚫린 요트는 빠르게 침몰하기 시작하고 깽단의 끈질긴 공격이 이어지고 돌턴은 급한 대로 엘리를 먼저 피신시키는데 그런데 하필 요트 안에 브렌트가 타 있었습니다.
Don't fucking move! I'll just destroy the fucking roadhouse myself.
결국 엘리는 돌턴의 눈앞에서 다시 한번 납치되고 말죠. 뒤이어 싸움 처돌이 해결사가 나타나고
Let me help you. Our own little octagon.
What? Who taught you shapes?
해결사에게 선빵을 날리는 돌턴.
Your fucking boyfriend.
그러나 브렌트가 노 밖으로 돌턴에게 돌진하고 이 와중에 해결사까지 다시 살아나는데 보트가 부딪히는 순간 환승에 성공하는 돌턴. 하지만 돌턴의 체력은 이미 바닥난 상황이었고 이에 엘리가 브렌트와 맞다이를 까는데요. 사실 이것은 브렌트가 전방을 주시하지 못하게 하기 위한 고도의 작전이었죠. 결국 브렌트는 원하던 대로 로드하우스를 박살내는데 성공합니다.
Fucking fishing spear.
하지만 자신 또한 박살나버렸고
I'm done. Fucking nose. Everything I fucking worked for. All gone because of fucking.
돌턴은 이제 그만 이 지긋지긋한 싸움을 끝내기로 하는데요. 그런데 이때 죽은 줄 알았던 해결사가 끈질기게도 살아 돌아옵니다. 이렇게 돌턴과 해결사의 캐삭방 빅매치가 시작되는데 선빵을 허용한 돌턴은 옷을 벗으며 심기일전하고 둘의 실력은 막상막하였지만 돌턴은 정제된 기술만을 쓰는 반면 해결사는 마치 한 마리의 짐승처럼 돌턴에게 달려들었죠.
You're gonna kill me now.
설상가상 해결사는 반지까지 쓰고 이로 인해 돌턴은 그로기 상태에 빠지고 마는데요.
Kill. Do your fucking job! What does it take to shoot you up?
눈이 완전히 돌아버린 해결사는 브렌트까지 죽여버리고 그에게서 과거의 자신을 발견한 돌턴은 어떻게든 그의 폭주를 막아내기로 합니다. 돌턴은 마지막 남은 힘을 쥐어짜내고 빛보다 빠른 속도로 해결사에게 연속 공격을 날리죠. 이렇게 돌턴은 힘겹게 악의 세력을 물리치는데 성공하지만 이것이 살인이라는 것은 부정할 수 없는 사실이었고
I'm sorry.
It's time for you to go, Dalton. You were never here. I got you covered.
Go. You have to go.
결국 돌턴은 도망치듯 로드하우스를 떠나게 됩니다.
It's not so bad.
Yeah, no, it's fixable.
There's a truck in the bar.
That is correct. But as soon as this is clear and we...
Little elbow grease.
It's gonna be good as new. Come on, move it.
Hey,
Yeah.
are you guys open today?
그래도 돌턴이 목숨을 걸고 지켜준 로드하우스는 영업을 재개하고
Yeah. We're always open.
Move around. Let me get this.
Hey,
돌턴은 떠나기 전 마지막으로 책방 소녀와 인사를 하게 되는데요.
so this is it? You're just gonna ride off into the sunset?
That's always how the story ends, right?
No, not always. Sometimes the hero stays and makes his own little homestead.
I don't think I'm the hero in this particular story, Charlie.
So maybe you're not the hero. I got news for you. You ain't the villain either.
이렇게 쓸쓸하고도 찬란한 영웅의 마지막 모습을 비추며 영화는 막을 내립니다.